Jesus Christ! You again? How many times have I warned you never to step your foot into this house? My boy is my boy, and you just you came to work or you came to love? Yeah, come here. Do you have an account?
Yes, sir.
If I ever see you here again, I will punish you. Come with the number. 88 22
468
4. Idiot, I can't say. I'm going to go boy. 50 million. 50 million. I could go with 50 million. If I ever see you here, Notch, I can't say. I will break your head. If I ever see you,
me too. The chief give you 50 million because he want me to stop to talk to the house girl.
That's how I see him. What?
You dey think wetin I dey think?
Asa, the love I get for you will be past that TPG, I swear.
Stop, you have sweet now.
Anything for you now.
Tell me. Hey, Daddy!
you.
What kind of?
After paying you off to stay away from my housemaid, now you turn to my daughter. Musa, lock that gate.
Daddy, it's my boyfriend. Daddy, don't hurt my boyfriend. Hurt me instead, please.
Do you know?
I love her. You love who?
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Do you know this criminal?
He's not a criminal. He's for my life.
My friend. I said, come on. Order your account again.
811 368 468
500 million. I've paid you 500 million. That means I've paid you, your ancestors, and everything that came with you.
Let's have it.
I wanna dance with you after the party.
Give me money there.
Money don't finish your boss. You don't perform for you for over 1 month now.
Everywhere you go, you need the loan. Now more watcha.
Boss, what you go do now?
You again. First was my housemaid, then my daughter, now my wife.
Okay, wait, sir. Wait, sir. Wait.